Hello guys, I'm gonna to show you how to install Spotify on Ubuntu 24.04. So we are gonna to install it via package snapd. So we can start. Let's open a terminal. So if you don't have snapd installed, you can install it. It's easy. Okay, it's already installed here. So now let's start the installation for Spotify. So let's copy the second command and then it started the installation. This is really the quick installation for Spotify. So waiting for the installation. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the installation is finished. We can open a Spotify. So here we search for Spotify, and that's all. It's so easy. So here it asks you for login, so you can sign up or login. So this is how to install Spotify on Ubuntu 24.04. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.